Hello my flourishing friends, happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, today's video is really just a quickie. It's gonna be a show and tell of what I crafted for this Valentine's Day. Sadly I didn't have the time to film my actually crafting, but I hope you can still get some inspiration from the cards I did. I'm gonna show you 4 different kinds of embellishment cards because I figured they do really good on my channel and just want to keep you guys happy. If not, I have to drink. Let's dive in. So the first card I did says, "You're the milk to my shake," and I really like it. I bought this stamp a few years ago and it's always good. I also like to put it on the back of a letter. It's always funny. So yeah, for this card I actually just cut out a square and placed some different colored washi. I stamped a white paper with a stamp and placed it on a colored one, and that's already it. It's really, yeah, like I said, only fast crafting because I didn't have that much time, but still want to spread love. The second one we have right here. Dog owners know the struggle, by the way. I have dog hair everywhere. For this card it was really handy. I had paper that had already printed Happy Valentines on it, so I just cut it out and used the same card, just a plain card, placed some nice paper and glued the Happy Valentines on top. Yeah, simple but still handmade. And then I'm gonna put in the picture 2 of my friends. Robot friends. I had to think about the episode of South Park where this little boy has a robot friend. Well, another person that gets this card has a robot friend too. I really like the idea of using those cards. I have those forever. I used those back in the days for crafting for my little godson. For this occasion it's also funny. So here we have for my little Valentine, and yeah, I used the same square card. I cut those nice curly corners out, placed some colored paper and some little die cut hearts, placed the robot, and for my Valentine, and that's already it. Like I said, I didn't do anything fancy for this year. I just wanted to do something nice and easy. And here we already have the last card. I am nuts and bolts for you. I think that's so nice and funny because he's all in parts. Yeah, I think it's really cute. Let me put all of the cards back in the picture. Yeah, there we go. There's everything in one view. By the way, if you're wondering why there are candles here, and those are electric candles but they're not lit, my camera really doesn't like the candles. It made the whole picture flicker. So yeah, imagine those were on. So those are my Valentine's cards that I did. I'm actually really excited because I have a video planned, another unboxing video, and I cannot wait. I'm actually waiting for it right now to arrive. It's gonna be here within the next 2-3 days. Yeah, I'm really excited to show to you what I'm gonna get. It's gonna be another Lievelingspost. Yeah, I'm so excited because for me it's also a surprise what's in there. Yeah, I wish you guys a really happy and love-filled and nice and I don't know what, everything good in the world Valentine's Day. I hope you are able to celebrate it with a loved one, and if not, that you have enough chocolate. That's what I always had. Yeah, I can't wait to see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.